everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I thought we could do some family fun today and a taste test. How's that sound, Ez?
Good.
Okay, let's do this. So my friends over at Dewey's Bakery, they reached out and asked if we would do a taste test. Doesn't that sound like so much fun?
Yep.
Yes, so let me show you what they sent. Ezzy is showing you, he is being Vanna White here. And look at all these yummy bags. So there's 2 of every bag. So what we have here are some old-fashioned glazed donuts, cinnamon bun, chocolate chip, lemon bars. Oh yes. How about we make some hot chocolate really quick and then get ready for a cookie taste test.
Yes.
Yes. So I don't even know if they have these anymore. I've had it for like 10 years or something. But it's just a hot cocoa maker. I think now they have like those like 1 cup ones that are so cool. Let me know down below if you have one of those like Keurigs with the 1 cup chocolate. Oh, that's awesome. So this is just super easy. Just put in the mix and that's it. We are so excited to do this taste test. We all have our hot chocolates. So we are ready to taste some cookies. So to find these cookies, they do have a website, which I will link down below. But you guys, Paul and I went to Walmart and we just walked the aisles and we found them just in their cookie aisle, kind of in the specialty brands. And so you'll be able to find Dewey's Bakery's items there. And I will tell you the ones, he's ready for the hot chocolate. The ones that we saw there were the lemon bar and the chocolate chip cookie ones. So you guys, we are so excited. So should we start with chocolate chip?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So these seem pretty special, right?
Yeah.
Like, okay, so look at, they're pretty fancy, like how they're like it's like getting a delivery. Yeah.
Good.
So, you got these at Walmart?
I did get these at Walmart. Hey.
Ooh, those are so good.
I think these would make like beautiful presents.
I want to smell it.
Ooh, smell away.
Oh, that smells good.
Ooh, smells chocolate.
Ooh, that is smell. Ooh, it's chocolate. I almost can smell some vanilla though. So,
Oh yeah.
wow,
That's good.
that is really good. Oh my gosh.
Very chewy.
Yeah, it is chewy, soft bake.
Mm-hmm.
It almost tastes like a homemade cookie.
It looks like a pumpkin cookie.
Yeah, so he's talking about like them being like a homemade cookie for sure. Wow, these are good.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. Let me know down below, are you a chocolate chip cookie lover? I love chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah.
And I always make my chocolate chip cookies with dark or the semi-sweet chocolate because I think the semi-sweet chocolate chips because it just tastes way better for sure. Wow, that is so good. Okay. That is good. Let's do a cleanse. I'm excited to try these other flavors. I've not seen this flavor before. It's called cinnamon bun.
Oh, that's
And then this one's called old-fashioned glazed donut cookie. I've never seen cookies like that before. So I love that they are different, and I think that makes them even more special. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the cinnamon bun. Now, the Dewey's Bakery is a family company. They use locally sourced products.
Look, it comes in a different bag.
What is this? It says it's a cinnamon bun cookie, but it feels like I'm holding a cinnamon roll. Like, doesn't it feel like there's a cinnamon roll in there?
Wait, let me.
Well, hold on. You probably can't smell it through the wrap. It kind of feels like a cinnamon roll, huh? Okay, so they're locally sourced. They have bold flavors. So good.
Oh.
Oh.
Looks like a gingerbread man.
Take a woof.
Ooh.
Oh.
I think this might be my favorite one.
We'll see.
And it smells like gingerbread man. That's.
Well, there's cinnamon bun, so
I know.
let's see.
Mm.
You like that?
Oh yeah.
Mmm.
Oh goodness. Let me get this one.
Very soft.
Yeah,
Very
very
soft.
soft.
I like
Soft
how
and
they
chewy.
put the white stuff on it. That makes it way better.
that
Okay.
frosted part.
Mm-hmm.
You could taste the pumpkin in it.
I know.
It's not pumpkin.
I mean, like cinnamon.
And the cinnamon too.
Cinnamon, okay. Wow, that is delicious. It's a very sharp cinnamon, a very strong cinnamon. So it's almost, it has like a gingery taste to it, which the kids are loving. Okay, so on this bag here, it says save $1 now on one of their products. So I might keep that one and go buy some more at Walmart.
Well, we still haven't tried all of them.
I know, are we ready for the next one?
Wait,
Oh,
we have
cleanse our palates. It is so cold outside right now too, so this hot chocolate, hitting the spot. Okay. It's like 45 degrees or 50 degrees outside.
It feels like you're holding a glazed donut.
Glazed donuts, okay. So these are, they seem like they would, like I said already, these seem like these would be a nice gift to give.
Now you can fill it right here.
Yeah, it's obviously they're a pack of cookies.
These are good. Like they come in like, I like how they come in like different colors.
Yeah, they look like paper bags, kind of.
Yeah. And
I like that too.
package.
So I'm not a huge fan of glazed donuts.
You're
I
not.
just a plain old glazed donut.
These are the same.
They're similar, how they're glazed, huh? Okay, let's see what I can do here.
Whoa.
Oh, that looks good.
Okay, wait for me, okay? They are so excited they're going without me.
Mom, that smell.
I can't really smell it.
Well, I can smell.
I can smell. Okay,
Very soft.
very soft.
Alright, softer than this one. Okay.
Pretty
This is
simple.
more mild, like in flavor.
Pretty simple. I like it.
I like it too. Would you think glazed donut though?
No.
I wouldn't either. Almost like a vanilla cookie or something.
Like a wafer.
Oh, well, you know what? Having like that second bite, it does have, I can taste it now. I can taste that it's more like a glazed donut. That is so good.
I don't really get that glazed donut part.
Because if you can't smell it, the smell at the top because it has the most smell in it.
It does have the
In the
most
middle.
smell. Yeah. And I love how they're just so soft.
Yeah, I could kind of smell it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's actually
All
pretty
right,
good.
cleanse the palate. I know they were so generous to send us two. That is so nice. Are you a fan of cookies? Are you a cookie connoisseur, which means that you just are like an expert cookie eater?
Yeah, I'm an expert
McDonald's
cookie.
cookies.
Mom's cookies, mine.
I'm an expert.
And McDonald's. And McDonald's.
And mixed on. Okay, okay.
And McDonald's.
Would you say that these chocolate chip cookies are better than McDonald's?
No, because
Oh, because they're warm.
McDonald's are warm.
Yeah, they come right out of the oven.
And they're so soft.
Well, I could always heat these ones up.
You get that.
They'd probably be better.
And
All right.
they'll probably be high.
So I think the last one, I saved it for last for a reason. I am a huge fan of lemon squares.
I don't even get that. Like, base of it.
Oh, what a good
So
idea, huh? Such a good idea to make cookies with the flavors of
Wait,
lemon.
does it feel like a lemon?
No, lemon bars are like squares, like and they're
No,
flat.
because it felt like a glazed donut. It felt like a cinnamon roll. Does it feel like a lemon?
So this company is based out of North Carolina, and so they're known. Oh, okay. I just opened that package, and it just hit me all the lemon smells. Oh yeah. So they're based out of North Carolina, so they have some southern flavors. You got one?
Oh.
Oh,
Wow.
like, it's kind of like hard, but good at the same time.
It's got like a firm exterior, soft
And
inside,
the
Oh.
aftertaste,
but they're still very soft
Tastes
base.
like a tortilla.
aftertaste,
Not quite what you want a cookie to taste like a tortilla.
I mean, the aftertaste after the lemon tastes like a tortilla.
no it doesn't. The aftertaste literally tastes like a lemon.
That, oh
That first tastes good too.
man, this would be
Tart.
tart. Oh, I love it. I love
It
it.
is not even tart.
No, I had a tart part.
Okay, so I think I had one of those little pieces. It's like a small piece of like a lemon peel or something like that that was infused or incorporated into the recipe. Yum. Yum. You guys.
I love it.
Wow. Okay, cleanse. That was such a fun thing to do, huh?
Yep.
Okay, so let's talk about what our favorite ones were. I'll hold this one up. All right, you tell me which one was your favorite one.
I don't think, I'm just gonna put them in order.
Okay. Okay, so which one was your favorite one?
Probably the lemon one.
The lemon. Okay, and what about your second? Let's just do your second favorite. How about that?
Wait. I don't know because they literally look the same. This one.
The cinnamon one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I love the lemon one. That one is my absolute favorite, and I think the cinnamon one is also my second favorite.
I have a different one.
Okay.
My favorite one's the lemon one.
Okay.
And my second favorite is the chocolate chip cookie.
Oh, yeah, that chocolate chip cookie was really good.
It was too hard.
It was too hard, really, for a soft baked cookie.
It isn't so.
Well, don't you think this is so fun to like kind of rate cookies on how great they are?
Yes.
What a great idea to do with your family. Just reach out to Dewey, the Dewey company. You can have these sent right to your house, or you could even find a couple at Walmart and do a little taste test of your own. Thanks so much to our friends at Dewey's Bakery for sending us the package of all of those cookies. They were so good, and I am so glad to have done the taste test. Don't you guys think?
Yes.
Yeah.
Also, thanks to the hot chocolate.
The hot chocolate cleanse the palate. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up. Let us know what you think would be your favorite cookies. And stick around, rollers. You just never know what will be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.